All right, what's up? We got a few people that are on. We'll wait another minute or so, let a couple more join, and then we're going to start ripping. So thank you for hopping on and joining. Got some new Mosaic. Excited to rip some of those. Love Mosaic product. We got Mosaic football coming out too. Super excited about that. We'll see what these basketball got to offer. We also got Chronicles for this year's class. And then Illusions as well, including a Mega. So we got an auto in there, and then some Select as well. So we got a little hodgepodge. See what we can hit. Let me know who you guys are cheering for. We know the players, but I'd like to cheer along with you guys. Just opening up some of our cases we'll be using. Top loaders. All right, so let's go over what we got. We got our 2 Select hangers. We got Illusions Blaster Box. And we got our Mega Box. 2 Chronicles Mega Box. And we got our 5 Mosaic. We'll probably mix them up. Mosaic will probably be towards the end along with that Mega. All right, we are going to start with our Chronicles. Rip through those, see if we get any good hits. Any of the top rookies this year. All right, good luck. Yeah, I haven't watched a lot of other teams besides my Bulls, but I haven't really been following this rookie class too much. I know Wagner in Orlando is having a great year. Cade Cunningham, when he's healthy. I think, who's the guy out of Cleveland? Jalen Green's out in Houston. Let's see, the Cleveland rookie. It'll come to me. All right, let's go. Good luck. Let's go through these guys. All right, Jonathan Kuminga, Isaiah Jackson, Io DeSumo. I know him. He's on my Bulls. 2nd-round pick, getting some time too. Cam Thomas and a silver, Jalen Green, XR. My guy Io's getting his jersey retired today, I believe. Keon Johnson. Corey Kispert, a rated rookie action. Davion Mitchell. There's Io again, playbook. And Myas Quita. I've never heard of him. All right, we got Trey Mann. Garza for the Pistons. Oh, we got an auto, maybe, I would assume. Brandon Rachel. All right, anybody ever hear of this guy? And do we know what team he is on? And then we got Jonathan Kuminga for the Warriors. Another Kuminga silver. Little marquee action. It's a nice hit. Man, them Warriors, they are so fun to watch. And Clay, I don't know if he's back yet, but he should be back, they were saying. Kyrie got in his first action. 22 points last night. That's wild. He's just going to play away games. Moses Moody. Jalen Johnson. Cam Thomas. On our playbook, Kai Jones and Jalen Johnson from Duke. There's a good one for the Pistons. Evan Mobley. Pretty sure he's the guy in the cat. Oh, we got a little select action coming up. Jalen Green. Zaire Williams. Nice. Evan Mobley. Courtside. Nice hit. Cade Cunningham. Green. That's a real nice pack right there. Nice. We'll take that. Yeah, I think Cade's going to be legit. He's just got to stay healthy. I'm pretty high on him, actually. Chris Duarte. He's a nice player for the Pacers. Real nice find. And we got Raekwon Gray. Scotty Barnes. Nice player for the Raptors. Jalen Suggs. And we got a green, Moses Moody. And that Gonzaga team last year was so fun to watch. Crazy they didn't finish the deal, though, and win. All right, there's Franz Wagner, Jaden Springer, Herbert Jones. Oh, we got a numbered card here. Wow, Warriors with a nice 34 out of 49. Cade Cunningham, nice recon. That's a good box for Chronicles. Sweet. Hey, what's up, man? Thank you for joining. What do we got? What teams you got there, Boone? Jared Butler, Kai Jones, Greg Brown, Davion Mitchell, Green Jalen Suggs. I'm not sure how Suggs is doing, but I really liked him in college. Cade Cunningham again. Jalen Suggs, rated rookie. Kuminga. Jalen Green with the optic. Nice hit, Houston. I love these cards. The Gala, Franz Wagner. Rookies, they're so cool looking. Very cool cards. Isaiah Jackson. Yeah, those Galas are real cool. Io. Oh, man, we got a green boy coming. Keon Johnson, and it's our boy. Having a great rookie year. Franz again. Isaiah Jackson. There we go. Nice. It's been a fun box to rip to get us started. Yeah, Orlando real hot. I imagine Pistons. Cool. Corey Kispert. Davion. Dayron Sharp. Cade Cunningham again, and Jonathan Kuminga. Charles Bassey. Moses Moody. Jalen Johnson. Franz. Nice Io Green element. I'm very impartial to him. Sorry. Nice. That was a fun rip right there to get started. Let's see what our second one's got. Got that auto of a guy I've never heard of. Got that Kuminga number. Bunch of other nice hits. All right. Keon Johnson, Corey Kispert, Davion Mitchell, Baylor. And we got Jalen Johnson, those nice Gala cards again, Evan Mobley. Man, they're so cool. Trey Mann. Charles Bassey, Moses Moody, Jalen Green, Keon Johnson Green. Little tribute throwback. The old school NBA hoops. All right, we got Cam Thomas. Another Evan Mobley. Jalen Green. Zaire Williams with the Flux. And Josh Christopher Marquis. Jalen Johnson. Oh, we got a Mosaic coming up. Cam Thomas, Evan Mobley, and silver action, Brandon Boston Jr. Honestly, I don't know what team he's on, but it's a nice card. And we got Davion Mitchell. Zaire Williams. Joel Ayayi. Brandon Boston Jr., Isaiah Jackson, and another Isaiah Jackson, Luminance, green. All right, let's pick it up here. The other box is dominating so far. Scotty Barnes, Wagner, Jaden Springer, Corey Kispert, Keon Johnson. Jalen Green, Zaire Williams. There's a lot of the same players in these, except for the autos when you get those. It's a guy you've never heard of. Chris Duarte. Ooh, little green rated rookie. Jaden Springer. And a Moses Moody. Again, don't know what team he's on. It's a nice hit, rated rookie green. Hope he's good. Brandon Boston Jr., Scotty Barnes, Wagner, Moody, and Kispert, Green Chronicles. That happens more than once at a time at each break. All right, there's Jaden Springer again, Josh Christopher, Jared Butler, Evan Mobley, another sweet gala, little green action. Cam Thomas. All right, Josh Christopher, Jared Butler, Kai Jones, Cam Thomas, and Treyman Recon. Nehemias Quetta, Cade Cunningham, rated rookie. Jalen Suggs, Chris Duarte, Mosaic, Pacers, and Io DeSumo, rated rookie green. All right, let's see if we got an auto or a numbered card, or if we just got them both in the first box. Jonathan Kuminga, Isaiah Jackson, Io DeSumo, lots of Bulls action there. Keon Johnson, Scotty Barnes, Green Recon, and that is it. Nice Scotty Barnes there. All right, those are fun little rips, different types. Now let's go to our illusions. We'll do a blaster box. I haven't ripped any of these yet either. Ripped a lot of select. A few of the Mosaic. All right. So we're looking emerald and ruby parallels in here. Well, it's a good start here with one of the good rookies last year's. Kevin Porter Jr., he's having more issues there in Houston. Larry. Season highlights, Anthony Simmons, Mike Conley, Kenny Martin Jr., and Tyrese Maxey. Maxey having a great second year. Ben Simmons not playing. He's getting a lot more playing time. All right, Keldon Johnson, Gordon Hayward, Alfred Payton, P.J. Washington, Andrew Wiggins, Skylar Mays. Miles Turner, Chuma Okeke, Mr. Sir Charles Barkley, living legend. That's a cool card, Suns. Brogdon, Patrick Williams from my Bulls. He's injured. Killian Hayes. I think last year's rookie class is actually going to be better than what everyone thought. I know most people weren't too high on it, but they got players. You obviously got LaMelo and then Edwards. I think Edwards is a monster. Then you got guys like Maxey. I think Pat Williams is going to be good. There's a bunch of other guys. Oh, here's a good guy coming up. Danny Green, D'Angelo Russell, Inez Kanter, Cole Anthony, too. He's starting to play really well. Jonas Valanciunas, Kevin Love, and the Ant-Man. My favorite from that draft class, Anthony Edwards for the Minnesota Timberwolves. He's so fun to watch. He's got a great personality, too. I'm a big Edwards fan. All right, Ricky Rubio. Brandon Clark. Oh, these are nice. Killian Hayes, instant impact. Pistons had a great draft class last year, too, I think. Buddy Hield. Najee Marshall and Xavier Tillman. Sadiq Bey, Pistons, he's great. Hayes is a nice player. I think Saban Lee, he's going to be good. John Collins. Kristaps, Malachi Flynn. Isaiah Roby. LeBron, and Facunda Campazzo. All right, we'll knock out a select. I'm going to mix in that last illusion since we should have an auto in there. We should. I don't think it's guaranteed. It never is. Let's knock out these select here. All right. So we got a couple different types of the base set. It's Premier, Courtside, and what else do we got? Concourse. Yep. All right, Markelle Fultz, Isaiah Stewart, another one of those Pistons rookies. DeAndre Ayton, Desmond Bane, he was first team all-rookie. Patty Mills, Andrew Wiggins, Patrick Williams for my Bulls. Goran Dragic, there's a Sadiq Bey. Karl Anthony Towns, Darius Garland, Shea Gilgeous Alexander, Jamal Murray. And we got Kemba Tillman. Brandon Ingram, and we got Courtside Rui Hachimura, nice player. These are so cool looking. Nice hit for the Wizards. Ingram, Tobias Harris, and Kristaps Porzingis. Yeah, I love the look of these. No LaMelo Ball sighting yet. We're waiting on him. He's very fun to watch. I had no idea how he was going to translate into the NBA. He definitely looks like he belongs. Very fun. Just keep working on that shot. Let's get a LaMelo out of this one. Or we'll do another Edwards. Maybe one of the Knicks rookies. Quickly, or Obi Toppin. Knicks are struggling this year. Kind of surprised. All right, DeAndre Ayton. Desmond Bane again. Patty Mills. Wiggins. It's the same pack so far. Patrick Williams. Goran. Yep, Sadiq. The colored cards will be different. Karl Anthony Towns. All right, they're different. Daniel Oturu, D'Angelo Russell, Marcus Smart, Aaron Gordon, Isaiah Stewart, same player. Oh, there you go, Knicks. Isaiah Stewart, Tillman. Oh, Luka. Nice hit for the Mavs. Then we got Embiid, Azubuike. Oh, Warriors with the Prism. James Wiseman. And a Precious. Oh, no. This one's not. Yeah, they are. These are both the Prisms. Nope, this one's not. This just had a glare. All right, I was right. Wiseman, Warriors, nice. Got the little prism action. Nice hit. I'm curious to see how Wiseman turns out. I'm sure he'll be around for a while, but what he actually turns into, how he fits with the Warriors. Yeah, Luka's one of my favorite players to watch. Especially in the playoffs when it's just everyone knows he's the man and he's just got that old man game and just gets wherever he wants. Crazy shots. It's fun to see someone that's just not super, super athletic that can still play. All right, let's do a couple Mosaic. Got 5 of these and we still got our Illusions Mega. So I've only ripped a couple of these. Very cool design. I always love Mosaic. All right. Seth Curry, Steph's brother. Yeah, I don't think we've had a single Bucks card. No, not yet. Draymond. Oh, see, it always happens, Greg. You call for it. I mean, not a great card, if we're being honest, but Dante DiVincenzo out of Nova. Pascal Siakam, Danilo Gallinari. Richuan Holmes. Never heard of him. DeAndre Ayton, Kyle Lowry, Serge Ibaka. Jerry West, Desmond Bain. Grizzlies getting a lot of Bain action. Peyton Pritchard. He was explosive like the first 2 weeks he was playing. Patrick Williams again. Oh, nice. Little checkerboard. Hamidou Diallo Pistons. Andre Drummond, he just got cut. Boban, we'll just go with Boban. Tyrese Maxey, one of my favorite players in that draft. That is a nice hit. Derek Jones will win. Bradley Beal and Joel Embiid elevate. Nice pack there. These are such cool looking cards. Boban. Everyone loves Boban. His commercial, he's great. He's hilarious. All right, guy, we don't know who you are. Yeah, I'm a huge Maxey fan. Hamidou Diallo. I actually was worked for the Bulls G League team. His brother was on the team we were playing against. Check Diallo. Put up 28 points, 13 rebounds against us. And he is a massive man, just like his brother. All right, another Mosaic. Is he playing good for the Pistons? Mr. Zach LaVine. D-Book. All right, Boone, let's see it. Let's get a colored Booker. Zach LaVine, Isaiah Roby, LeBron James. Such a clean-looking card. Mo Bamba, Karis LeVert, Serge Ibaka, Cam Johnson, Caruso. He's a bull. Victor Oladipo, Sir Charles, Jayshawn Tate. He's a nice player for Houston. There he is, LaMelo Ball. Man, look at that card. That's so nice looking. Sadiq Bey, there you go, Pistons. Oh, baby. Oh, this is a pack right here. Anthony Edwards, green, national pride. Come on. Why didn't I open this one myself? Anthony Edwards, Kyrie, Aaron Nesmith for Boston, Kristaps, De'Aaron Fox, and John Wall. These are cool looking. There we go. Nice pack right there. The Ant-Man. Oh, these are so cool. Super jealous. Yeah, my display sucks. Sorry, guys. We don't care about it. It always does. No love for the Raps. Who are we looking for on the Raptors? They have a good rookie last year? Yeah, we'll just get the new guys in there. All right, we'll do one more of the Mosaic, then we'll get our illusions, and then finish with our Mosaic. Oh, yeah, Malachi. He had a pretty good year, too. Yeah, Scotty Barnes. We got a decent amount of Scotty Barnes. Malachi, is he a starter for them now? I feel like I see him wherever. Yeah, I think I've seen him on the court a lot. I'm pretty sure both the Bulls Raptors games got canceled. That's the only way I would watch them, pretty much. All right, we got PG-13. Wendell Carter, Sekou, another Luka, Tyler Hero, Maxi Kleber, Dougie McBuckets, Brandon Clark, Jabari, Shaq. Man, Shaq looks skinny there. Patrick Williams, NBA debut. Hey, there's another Buck. Jordan Nwora, a little rookie action. Charles. Then we got Kawhi. There's Raptor action. Victor Oladipo, Kawhi, LaMelo. Oh, my goodness. These are huge. Come on. Hornets, J.J. Redick, Zach LaVine, Donovan Mitchell. We've caught fire. Nice. Wow, these Mosaic are hot. I did not get anything good on my, 2 boxes that I ripped. Oh, I'm so jealous now. My cards were trash. Nice Kawhi, too. Man, just such a cool design. Man, LaMelo and Edwards have taken over. All right, let's get back to illusions. Man, the Mosaics are way more fun to rip. Let's see if we keep it hot with the illusions. All right, illusions. Let's see what we could do. Those Mosaic were fire. Jamal Murray. OG Anunoby. Kyle Lowry. That purple. Brogdon. Anthony Edwards again. All right, we're keeping it rolling. Najee Marshall. The Ant-Man is hot. Man, so is LaMelo. It's crazy. Fred VanVleet, Terry Rozier. Yeah, is this what it is? Just I don't even know what these are. The dark ones. That's the parallel for the Mega. Jonas Valanciunas, Kevin Love, Xavier Tillman for the Grizz. Ant-Man ain't coming out when I'm ripping my own cards. He stays home. Lou Williams, Bobby Portis, amazing. Russell Westbrook, Wizards. Buddy Hield, Campazzo, Jalen Smith. Andre Drummond, Devin Booker, And we got a little rookie reflection, Jaden McDaniels and Karl Anthony Towns. Oh, there's our Devin Booker. Isaiah Roby, LeBron James, and Precious Achiuwa. I'm not a LeBron fan. I appreciate him, but yeah, I can't. I can't not being a Jordan guy, but I appreciate what he does. Jaylen Brown, Domantas Sabonis, R.J. Hampton. Oh, man, we got a little scrape on that guy for the Magic. And no Cole Anthony yet either. R.J. Barrett, Onyeka Okongwu, and Isaac Okoro. Here you go, Cavs finally coming out a little bit. I like what the Cavs are doing. Had some nice young pieces. Darius Garland's a beast. There you go, Brennan. Hey, you said it. Yeah, not a huge. All right, we got something here. Oh, man. All right, let's skip to this. We got Jason Tatum, Kyle Lowry, Peyton Pritchard, John Collins. All right, we'll show this guy. Elfrid Payton. Oh, my goodness. Tried to hide it. I don't even know if that's an auto. I assume it is. Maybe Elfrid Payton for the Knicks. 149. And, yes, it is. Robin Lopez is our auto for the Wizards. Good old Robin Lopez. Man, them Lopez brothers have made a ton of money. I heard a story once that him and Brooke, like once they both signed their NBA deal, they split the money. So no matter what deal that each guy has gotten, they've shared their entire career earnings together in one bank account. Not sure if that's true. I'm pretty sure it was like on a legit source. But yeah, that's pretty weird. But hey, they've both made a ton of money. Both for sure. Kristaps, Baisley, Killian Hayes. I think we already got this one. Donovan Mitchell, Denny Avdija, Kenyon Martin Jr. Kemba, Harrison Barnes. Oh, that's a cool Bucks card. Shining Moments, Mr. Giannis. There you go, Bucks. Thad Young, Joe Harris, and my guy Tyrese Maxey again. Very cool Giannis card. Kelly Oubre Jr., Jared Allen, having a nice year. Carmelo, Trailblazers. Conley, Skylar Mays, and Patrick Williams. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, Seth Curry. Career lineage with the Trailblazers and Pistons. Man, I was hoping we weren't going to get one of these. I'll do the random, unless it's by the same team, I'll do the random right after the video. I'll post that. Set that to the side. P.J. Washington, Andrew Wiggins, and Killian Hayes. All right, back to the good stuff. Let me just sort this real quick. Hopefully we keep that mosaic going. All right. All right. Come on, two more. Let's keep it hot with the top guys. Shake Milton, Cody Zeller, Ricky Rubio, Duncan Robinson, Jacob Patel, D'Angelo Russell, Chris Middleton, Eric Gordon. We got Josh Green for the Mavs, Tyrese Maxey, Philly doing work, KD. Hey, there we go, John. Cole Anthony, nice call. OB Toppin, Campazzo, Kevin Knox, Eric Bledsoe, Aaron Neesmith again, PJ Tucker, got a bang. Dwayne Wade, I also do not like. I do not like Dwayne Wade at all. And we got the Hall of Fame, Mr. Grant Hill. Could have been one of the best ever, I think, if he did not get injured. Him rocking them Fila's back in the day. He was so fun to watch. He was a beast. Oh, yeah. I'm sure Grant Hill still is, like, yeah, he for sure is Mr. Nice Guy. Kind of a dork. I mean, yeah, he definitely is a dork, but he could play. All right, last box. Let's see what we got. Yeah, I mean, Fila, that's all you think about when you think about Fila is Grant Hill. LeBron in the back. Lonzo. Let's see your bro, Lonzo. Jonas. J.J. Redick. Scary. Terry Rozier. D-Book. Boban. Taylor Horton Tucker. Sweet Lou Williams. Magic City Lou. Oh, this is a cool card. Giannis's bro. Thanasis. Peyton Pritchard. I wonder if that's a variation. Oh, that's nice. Little national pride, Steph Curry. Wiseman, here you go, Warriors. Steve Nash. Kemba. Rashawn Holmes. DeAndre Ayton. There you go, Magic. R.J. Hampton. Giannis. Miles Bridges. Ooh, that's a pretty sick LeBron card. Wow, that is a nice card to end it there for the Lake Show. There we go. That was a fun rip. Those Mosaic were fire. All right, gentlemen. I think it was all gentlemen. If not females, thank you for watching. It was fun. I enjoyed the interaction with you guys. I do have some more. I got a few more Mosaic I'll probably put up for next week. Give me like 5 minutes. I got to clean this up, and then I'll post the video for that. The Rasheed Wallace card on the random. So thank you guys, and enjoy your night and the upcoming weekend.